Welcome to the best picks. The best Kobalt 40V battery is probably one of the most versatile and powerful cordless power tool battery options currently available on the market, offering a compelling blend of performance, runtime, and compatibility with a wide range of Kobalt outdoor power equipment, making it a popular choice for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts who value efficiency and convenience in their gardening and landscaping projects. This in-depth review will explore its strengths and weaknesses to help you decide if it's the right fit for your needs. Number 5. Kobalt 40V Battery Charger. This charger is designed for Kobalt 40V outdoor power tools. It's the perfect way to keep your equipment ready to go. It works with a variety of Kobalt 40V tools, including blowers, trimmers, chainsaws, and pole saws. Make sure your tools are always charged and ready for use. Simply plug it in and connect your battery. It's that simple. Charging your Kobalt batteries has never been easier. It provides a reliable and efficient charge for your Kobalt batteries. Get back to work quickly and efficiently. This charger is a direct replacement for the KRC60-06 model. It's a perfect replacement if your old charger is broken or damaged. Keep your Kobalt 40V tools charged and ready to tackle any outdoor project. It's the essential accessory for all your cordless power tools. What we like. This charger is a must-have if you already own Kobalt 40V tools but need a replacement charger. It's designed specifically for Kobalt's 40V system, ensuring seamless compatibility and efficient charging. If you're looking for a reliable and compatible charger for your Kobalt tools, this is the one for you. What people say. The Kobalt 40V volt charger worked as designed and expected. It charged my Kobalt brand 4-amp battery in under 4 hours. I look forward many battery charging opportunities. Works great with our leaf blower. Cordless lawn edger. Number 4. Kobalt 40V battery replacement. This battery offers a powerful and reliable replacement for your existing Kobalt 40V tools. It's engineered for long-lasting performance and durability, giving you extended runtime for all your projects. It features high-quality cells and an integrated microchip for protection and extended life. Safety features include overload, short circuit, and overvoltage protection. This battery seamlessly integrates with your entire Kobalt 40V tool lineup. From chainsaws to lawnmowers, it extends the runtime of all your equipment. Conveniently monitor the remaining power with the 4 LED fuel indicators. A simple button press provides an accurate reading of the charge level. You'll receive one 6.0 Kobalt 40V battery replacement. We offer a 30-day money-back guarantee and a 1-year exchange service for your peace of mind. What we like. This battery boasts an impressive 6.0 capacity, providing extended runtime for your Kobalt 40V tools. It's compatible with a wide range of Kobalt 40V tools, making it a versatile addition to your collection. If you need a powerful and compatible battery for all your Kobalt 40V tools, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Powerful and did the job. Fits like a charm. Had my doubts but so far a strong alternative to factory Kobalt battery in several tools. Number 3. Kobalt 40V 2.5 battery. This powerful battery is designed for peak performance. It's compatible with over 24 Kobalt 40V tools, giving you the power you need to tackle any job. It delivers consistent power without fading, even after multiple charges. Say goodbye to memory loss and hello to reliable performance. This battery is part of the Kobalt 40V Max team, a complete system of lawn care tools. One battery powers them all. Never worry about running out of power unexpectedly. Its convenient fuel gauge lets you easily check the remaining charge. It boasts an impressive 40V peak power when fully charged, delivering the energy you need for demanding tasks. The nominal voltage under load is 36 volts. This battery utilizes advanced lithium-ion technology, ensuring long life and consistent performance. It's the ideal power source for your Kobalt tools. What we like. It's the most compact and lightweight option, perfect for smaller tasks or users who prefer a lighter battery. It's ideal if you're looking for a basic, reliable battery without breaking the bank. If you only need a battery for light use, this is a great option. What people say. Works great. I took the chance and bought 2 of these used. They work just fine on my Kobalt weed eater. I really like that I can blow my good-sized deck in my yard, patio and garage with driveway and still have battery power left. Number 2. Kobalt 40V 4.0 Ah battery. This powerful battery provides fade-free power for all your Kobalt 40V tools. Enjoy long-lasting performance without worrying about power loss. It boasts double the capacity of our 2.0 Ah battery, giving you extended runtime for larger projects. Get more done on a single charge. It seamlessly integrates with the Kobalt 40V tool family. Expand your cordless tool collection with confidence. Never be surprised by a dead battery again. The convenient fuel gauge lets you easily monitor the remaining power. This advanced battery technology ensures consistent power and eliminates the memory effect. Enjoy peak performance every time you use it. It's built to last, providing reliable power for all your outdoor projects. Experience the difference of a high-capacity battery. What we like. This battery offers double the capacity of the 2.0 Ah model, providing significantly extended runtime for your projects. It's perfect for those who need longer operation times without frequent recharging. If you need a battery that lasts longer, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. This new battery is working great, probably 30 to 40 minutes on one charge, not using the self-propelled feature. Backup battery for leaf blower. Battery is exactly as described when purchased. No problems with it yet. It lasts long enough to mow about half of the edges of my 1-acre home before I mow the lawn on my rider. Recharges in 2 to 3 hours, depending upon how much I ran it down. Number 1. Kobalt 40V 3.0 Ah battery. This is the new Kobalt 40V 3.0 Ah battery, providing a significant upgrade to your cordless power equipment. It's a direct replacement for older models and offers extended runtime. Enjoy up to 50% longer runtime compared to the previous 2.0 Ah battery. This means you can tackle more projects without interruption. It delivers consistent, fade-free power, ensuring peak performance throughout your project. No more worrying about power loss mid-task. It's compatible with the Kobalt 40V Max team, meaning it works seamlessly with a range of lawn care tools. One battery powers many tools. Conveniently check the remaining power with the integrated fuel gauge. Always know how much power you have left. Fully charged, it peaks at 40 volts, delivering the power you need to get the job done. The nominal voltage under load is 36 volts. What we like. This upgraded battery provides a 50% longer runtime compared to older 2.0 Ah and 2.5 Ah models. It's a direct replacement for those older batteries, offering improved performance. If you are looking for an upgrade from your old battery, this is the one for you. What people say. Battery lasts long enough for me to edge the sidewalk and trim around the fence and flower beds. Don't expect much if your yacht is larger than a typical subdivision lot. I have to charge it after every usage. It works the same as the original. The battery charges fairly quick. I have had this battery for over a year and I have used it weekly and charged it up to 2 times a week and it is still going strong. I bought the higher amps battery for greater power and I am very happy with my choice. It is just enough to give you longer time between charging. Granted, I've only used it once so far, but compared to the original 2.0 Ah battery this thing is a beast. I used to get 30 to 40 minute tops out of a battery but this guy kept going at the 50-minute mark on my weed whacker. My body failed before the battery did. And shockingly, the power was noticeable from the first trigger pull. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.